the Russian military has proven itself to be an organization that is prepared and able to correct its mistakes and to move forward, and has demonstrated a certain amount of resilience in that regard. However, war is a competitive venture, and what you do is only important relative to what the other side has done. The Ukrainians' capacity for innovation, for adaptation, for creation of new techniques on the fly is truly unmatched. And I think we are all learning a lot from watching the Ukrainian adaptations to this battlefield.
I think if you look at what happens, you see some improvements. For example, the use of EW was basically non-existent in the beginning, and you now see there's more brought to bear. And we were surprised actually that it wasn't used earlier. Logistics is probably a little bit better than in the earlier part of the war, because they didn't think about it, because they thought it was a 3-day war. So those are sort of logical things. Industrial capacity is a change that we see where they are actually moving forward faster than we in Europe and in North America. So I think there is a number of things that they have improved. But there's a number of things that they haven't improved in terms of, if you look at the quality of the troops, they have a big problem still in making sure that the new troops are trained to a level that is actually better than the troops that were originally available. So they have now more troops, but the quality of the troops is lower than the troops they started the conflict with. And that has to do that a lot of the officers that were killed in the beginning of the war are now not available, of course, to train the younger troops. So I think that is one of the problems that is haunting them, and that they haven't solved that one. And the other one is simple equipment for the forces is not ideal, is not good, is not better than the equipment they started off with. So there's a number of things that is serious problems for the Russian forces, and a number of things they have improved on.
Okay.